Ever wonder why so many traders search for free Forex signals online, hoping for a shortcut to success? It's tempting, right? The idea that someone else has already done all the hard work, analyzed the charts, spotted the perfect entry and exit points, and all you have to do is copy and paste. But here's the real question. If these signals are so reliable, why are they being given away for free? At Innohedge Limited, we've seen how traders, especially beginners, often fall into the trap of chasing easy wins. Free Forex trading signals are everywhere. You'll find them in Telegram groups, social media pages, forums, and even from people calling themselves experts. They promise fast results, minimal effort, and sometimes unrealistically high returns. That sounds like a dream, but in the world of Forex, dreams don't usually come free. The truth is, while some free signals might come from experienced traders or analysts who want to build trust or promote their paid services, many are just clickbait. There's no guarantee they've been created with real analysis or understanding of the market. They might not consider important factors like global news events, economic indicators, or even basic risk management. Following them blindly can lead to poor trades, losses, and frustration. And because you didn't do the research yourself, you won't really understand why a trade went right or wrong. Another thing to think about is timing. Forex markets move fast. A signal that was valid an hour ago might be completely useless now. If you're getting free signals from a public group, chances are you're not the first one to use it. By the time you act, the market could already be shifting in the other direction. It's like trying to catch a train that's already left the station. Also, relying on free signals can stop you from growing as a trader. You end up depending on someone else instead of learning how to read charts, understand trends, and make decisions on your own. At Innohedge Limited, we always encourage our traders to build their knowledge. That way, even if you choose to follow a signal, you'll understand the logic behind it and make smarter choices. That doesn't mean all signals are bad. Some can be useful as learning tools or as part of a larger strategy, especially if you're still developing your trading plan. But the key is to never trust a signal blindly. Ask yourself, who created this? What's their track record? Are they explaining why the trade might work? Or are they just throwing numbers at you? Is there a clear stop loss and take profit level? It's also important to manage your expectations. No signal free or paid can promise you 100% accuracy. Forex trading is risky and losses are part of the game. A good signal provider will be honest about that. They'll focus on long-term consistency, not just flashy wins. In the end, the value of free Forex trading signals depends on how you use them. If you treat them as tools, not shortcuts, combine them with your own knowledge and research, they might help you learn and grow. But if you rely on them completely, you're re-putting your money in someone else's hands without knowing if they even care about your success. So, are free Forex trading signals worth it? Maybe, but only if you approach them with caution, curiosity, and a commitment to learning. At Innohedge Limited, we believe the best investment you can make is in your own skill set. Because in Forex, knowledge isn't just power, it's profit.